out here, y'all. But scared man don't get no money. I'll see y'all in a minute. See, I'm out here. I'm at this I'm at Taco Bell right now, if y'all can see. So hey man, don't let nothing stop you from making this money. Now let me explain to you about driving in a snowstorm. This is, to me, it's not a bad snowstorm, but when you can see the snowflakes on your car, okay, that's enough. Back to the point. Look, make sure you always have a full tank of gas. You should work on that practice when you out delivering rideshare. I always try, if you able, to have a full tank of gas when you out making this money. Number two, make sure all your fluids is together. I'm talking about windshield fluid. You may even want to keep an extra bottle in your trunk. Okay, so just in case. Hey, Illinois ain't no punk, man. When it's bad, it gets bad. We've been kind of fortunate this year, but make sure, man, I try to have something. You never know. You may break down. Hopefully you don't. Try to make sure you let somebody know where you at. Just something, man. And be safe. Don't be all driving all close to cars. Man, look, especially when you go inside the neighborhoods, usually areas are pretty good. What's up, man? Look, welcome to Money Makers. Hustle up. Look, it's snowing out here. I'm about to, once I stand still, I'm going to give y'all a little look. Just wanted to give y'all some advice. When you're doing food delivery during a snowstorm or a little flourish, you have to be careful. Make sure your car is winterized. Make sure you always have a full tank of gas or almost a full tank. Be safe. I want to talk to y'all and give you some more advice in a second.